Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the new chat feature in ClickUp. So we are in ClickUp. We are on our dashboard. On the right hand side you will see there are quite a few options up on the top of this menu over here. There will be a quick action menu. You're going to click on this and here you will find chat. Now you can go ahead and click on this, and here you can choose the workspace in which you would like to create the chat, and here you can name your chat. So let's go ahead and say marketing team chat. You can also just add a message here, which I'm not going to do right now. I'm going to literally just say create chat, and here is your marketing team chat. Quite simply, you can click on open on page. Here at the top, again, if you go into this menu, you can actually pin this. If you do pin this, you will find that if you just refresh this page, it'll come up on the left hand side over here, and that's great. So here you will find your chats. Okay, so I've got a sales team chat, and this over here is my sales team chat, and then you've also got the marketing team chat, which I've just created, and then you can just create another one over here. And this is great because now we've got our marketing team chat over here, and you can literally just go ahead and you can chat here. You can just say hi guys, and this is now my message within this chat. Now there's a few things that you can actually do here. You can go and click on the brain, and the brain basically will help you navigate through creating a chat which is let's say a little bit easier. So you can summarize a thread, you can create tasks, subtasks, you can actually go ahead and search different chats, documents, tasks, you can translate, right, and also share in different ways. You can also click on customize up over here, and this will customize the actual team chat. So you can pin the view, you can make it a private view, you can set it as default, and there's a bunch of other options. Go ahead and explore ClickUp's new chat feature.